Hello, my name is Aisling and I'm the Orthopaedic Clinical Nurse Specialist and I work here at the Blackrock Health Hermitage Clinic. It's your day of surgery. Let me take you through everything that you need to know. Two days prior to your surgery, you will receive a text message from the Hermitage Hospital stating what time to arrive at the hospital at. This may be early morning or early afternoon. On arrival at the hospital, you need to check in at the main reception desk. Following on from this, you will be brought over to the DOSA, the day of surgery unit, where you will be admitted by both a nurse and a doctor. Following a short period here, you will be transferred to the theatre department. Your surgery will take an hour to an hour and a half to complete. You won't be awake for your surgery. As well as the spinal anaesthetic, we also give you sedation. It is likely that you will have no sensation from the waist down. This is as a result of your spinal anaesthetic. It usually takes in the region of 2 hours for this to wear off. It wears off gradually, and pins and needles, numbness and slight movement in your toes and your feet are what's expected. This is a good time to ask for your pain relief early. Depending on your consultant's preference, our aim will be to get you out of bed later that evening with the physiotherapist. The physiotherapist will start by showing you some bed exercises. Following on from this, we will attempt to get you up mobilising. In order to be discharged home, there are a number of physiotherapy goals you need to achieve. These include getting in and out of bed independently, mobilising in and out to the bathroom, as well as dressing yourself. You will also be able to walk a good distance around the ward and climb up and down the stairs. If you have had a knee replacement, you will need to have a 90-degree bend, and some consultants may require you to have a straight leg raise. Any equipment needed for your discharge, such as your crutches or your sticks, will be provided by the hospital. Here at the Hermitage Clinic, we understand that you may be nervous and anxious about your surgery. We're here for you every step of the way.